What is up, guys? I am Samuel. Welcome back to Louisiana. So today we're gonna be cooking an awesome treat, so let's get into it. Yeehaw! Alright, so we are going to be making this little chocolate treat. It's gonna be some melted chocolate, and we're gonna put it into these molds and make this hollow shell that we're gonna fill with these awesome little surprises. And then you're gonna be able to heat up some milk, drop in your little chocolate bomb. It's gonna melt and release all the goodness, and you're gonna have some surprise hot chocolate. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here are the two we've made so far, and as you can tell, we make one heart in each side of the mold, and then we take one and then we put it in this hot pan and then melt the chocolate off to get it flat, and then we fill it up with these marshmallows and sprinkles. Then we take another half from the mold, put it in the pan and melt it till it's flat, and then we can squeeze them together and we get these nice little surprise filled heart shapes. We're about to make some more, so let's start filling up our mold. Alright, so I brought them outside because it's extremely cold, so I'm going to let them harden out here, and you might be able to see a little pink showing through. And what I'm going to do is when this hardens, I'm going to get more chocolate and just make sure these outer layers are really thick so they'll hold together when we have to fill them up. Alright, so I just brought these in from being outside, and the layers are actually just about where I want them, but I'm going to take the last little bits of chocolate I have and just make these edges a little bit thicker and stronger. Alright, so I've just brought them in from cooling outside, and we're about to pop them out of their mold. So these are each half, and we just have to pop them out, and this is one reason why you have to build those edges up with a lot of chocolate so they don't break when you pull them out. And there's one half, and now let's get our other half popped out, and you can see that my edge is built up so they're nice and strong and they aren't going to break doing this, which is actually what happened in one of our first attempts. So there we go. There are our two halves. Now we're ready to melt them and put them together. Alright, so we take one half and we just put it on this little warm little skillet just to get it flat and melted, and you see how flat the edge is. So now we're going to take it back over here and we can fill it up with all the exciting little things. Get some sprinkles in there. Yeah, those are great. Get some marshmallows if you want. Just put as much exciting stuff inside your little chocolate halves as you want. So that is nice and filled up there. Alright, now we're going to try something. We're going to put some hot cocoa mix in there. So when you put this in your hot milk, it will turn into hot chocolate. Alright, now we're ready to take our other half and melt it and put it on top. Alright, and there it is. That is how you make these little heart bombs. Once you are ready to enjoy your hot chocolate bomb, you have to heat up some milk on the stove, and then once you get your milk heated up, you can pour it into your mug and then drop in your hot chocolate bomb, and it will melt and just make some perfect hot chocolate. And once you can kind of see a little film forming on top of the milk, it is then time to pour it into your mug. Alright, there we go. There is our hot milk. And here goes the awesome part. You just drop it in. Wow, I actually overfilled that a little bit. Little milk splashed out. But you're going to see some of the awesome chocolate and surprises just jump out of the top when it melts. Pop, there we go. And there you have some hot chocolate. Let's get a spoon and stir it up. Here we go with our first taste. It's awesome. That tastes so much like chocolate. This is awesome. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you try this, let me know down below how it goes. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and share it with your grandma, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.